I recently sold out all my affiliate blogs and shifted my whole focus to YouTube. So I thought, why not try affiliate marketing with YouTube? And almost a month ago, I started this Faceless YouTube channel. In this video, I will share with you the whole process of how this all works and how much money I made from these videos. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it definitely works, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First, we need three things: a niche, a YouTube channel, and a name for our YouTube channel. I chose a technology niche, where I decided to upload the gaming laptop reviews videos. Just to be clear, I chose this niche randomly because I have been in this niche for years when I was blogging. Secondly, we need a name for our YouTube channel. So I went straight to ChatGPT and asked for a name for my YouTube channel. I got some names, but I was not quite satisfied. So I put my brain to work and decided to choose a name for my YouTube channel, and I came up with this name. Now comes the third most important part: creating a YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, log in with your email ID. Next, click your channel's icon on the right corner of your screen and click on Switch Account. From there, go to All Channels and click on Create a Channel. Put your chosen name in the field and hit Create. Now you have a brand new YouTube channel. Now let's do the initial settings of the channel. First, we need a logo for the channel. For that, I will use Canva. Just open Canva, search for logos in the search bar. In my case, I will select the Benjamin Shaw logo and customize it by adding my channel name to it. You can also change the colors according to your preference. Export the logo to your computer in PNG format and upload your logo to your channel. Now create a simple banner in Canva with 2048 into 11152 resolutions and upload it to your YouTube channel. For video watermark, use your channel logo that we just created. Now for the description of your channel, just write 2 or 3 lines to let your audience know what your channel is about and save all changes. If you like the video so far, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's talk about content. For my channel, I did not use any fancy editing, nor did I create it on my own videos, and even the voice is created with AI, but still these videos are getting views and making money. But wait, before you throw all these comments on me, let me tell you this. My aim is to get affiliate revenue from these videos, not ad revenue. The channel has made $43 since it was created. Getting back to the content, we have 5 things to focus on: topic, script, voiceover, footage, and at the end we have editing. Let's start with the topics research. As I am working in a gaming laptops niche, so I will start with the budget gaming laptops. For that, I will go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me all the topics related to the best budget gaming laptops with prices mentioned in the titles. And ChatGPT gave me almost 10 topics. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate more topics according to your preference. Now that we have our topics, let's find products that we are going to talk about in our video. For that, I will use YouTube. Let's pick our first topic, which is the best gaming laptops under $500, and search it on YouTube. Now we need to look for a video that is not older than 5 months, as such videos has all the latest gaming laptop models. Let me pick this one, which is uploaded 5 months ago. You don't have to watch the video till the end. Just pick the names of gaming laptops from the video, and you are good to go. Now that I have my products, let's create a script. For this, we need 2 things: Google and ChatGPT. First, I will create a simple overview of my video with ChatGPT by simply asking it to give me a short overview for my best gaming laptops under $500 video. Copy your overview and paste it in a Word file. Now let's head over to Google and type in the gaming laptop name that we picked from a YouTube video and type the keyword Amazon with it, and I will have all links of this specific laptop from Amazon. Open any of the links and you will land on the product page of this laptop. Now below we have the About section of the product where all the details about this gaming laptop are mentioned. Simply copy these details and head over to ChatGPT. Now ask ChatGPT to create a review for this laptop by mentioning the name of the laptop and pasting the information that we just copied from Amazon, and you'll have a detailed review of this product. You can repeat the process for all your 5 gaming laptops. You can do this for any product on Amazon and create videos. Now that I have my script, time for the voiceover. I am using a free AI tool called Text-to-Speech OpenAI. Completely free, and you can create unlimited voiceovers with this tool. Plus, you have some amazing realistic voices here. Now, I will paste my script here. Make sure you don't exceed the 3,000 characters limit of the tool. Choose any voice you like and hit create. Now I have my voiceover. Repeat the process for all your products. Now let's get the footage for the laptop. For this, I will again use YouTube. Let's search my gaming laptop review in the search bar. Now go to Filters and select Creative Commons. All these videos in the Creative Commons are copyright free and you can reuse them for your video. Once you find your desired footage, copy the URL of the video and search for a YouTube video downloader in Google. Open any of your desired downloader and paste your URL there and download the footage to your computer. Find footages for all of your laptops using the same process. Now that we have our footages, it's time to edit the content. For editing, I use CapCut. Import all your video material to CapCut. Put your footages on the video layer and adjust your voiceovers to footages on the audio layer. Make sure to add some text in the content. If possible, apply some filters as well so that the content looks a bit different than the original one and export it to your computer. This is how our final video looks like.
Powered by 12th generation Intel Core processors, which are designed to deliver superior gaming performance. These processors also excel at multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously.
Now, create an attractive thumbnail for your video using Canva. Here are some good examples. Now upload your video to your YouTube channel, do all the basic settings, and publish your video. At the end, the question comes how I can monetize these videos. I use Amazon Associates program. You can create your account on the Amazon Associate program. It's just a few steps process and head over to the exact gaming laptops that you have worked on. Make sure your Amazon Associates account is logged in. On the top of each laptop, you will see the site strip. Just generate your affiliate links for each gaming laptop. Copy and paste it in your video description. Each time when someone purchases a product through your link, you'll earn commissions. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.